This courtroom moment starts off quietly, but within minutes it spirals into one of the most uncomfortable and unpredictable exchanges you'll see in his court. A young defendant walks in without a lawyer, insisting the police report actually proves his innocence. But instead of calmly explaining his case, emotions start boiling over fast. The judge is trying to follow standard procedure, asking about employment, finances, and whether the defendant qualifies for a court-appointed attorney. But the defendant keeps interrupting, pushing the limits of courtroom patience. Then suddenly, frustration explodes. The courtroom atmosphere shifts from routine paperwork to a tense standoff. The real question is this a man trying desperately to be heard, or someone about to sabotage his own defense? Watch closely, because what happens next might surprise you.
Let's roll, nerds.
Just set all the property right there.
Sir,
Good morning.
you have a lawyer today?
No, sir, I don't. I don't think I need one. Forgive me for saying that, but the original police report decriminates me. Can I read?
No.
Okay, it's fine.
You need a lawyer to represent you.
Sorry, can't afford one.
What do you do for in life, sir?
So to give you background who I am, you can Google my name, come Kids Harbor. That's an orphanage. I don't have anything. I don't have no one. So please say I cannot afford a lawyer. You understand that?
I don't want to talk about the case. I just want to know, do you work? What do you do for a living?
I just got a job, okay, and I have an apprenticeship. I don't make that much money, okay? Can't afford a lawyer. That's all I'm saying.
What's your apprenticeship?
Upholstery.
Upholstery.
Yes, sir.
How much money do you make a month?
I just started, but it's probably around 1,200.
What were you doing before that?
Subway, 5 years. At Subway.
Okay. And I guess you got fired from Subway? What happened?
No, I don't want to work past Subway 5 years, so what I look like. And I mean, I'm not trying to be rude, but working at Subway for 5 years, it does something to you. Okay, so I quit because, I'm being honest, I quit Subway because it's 5 years at Subway. What am I going to do? You know?
I
Can't blame me for that.
agree with you.
That was, but I mean, like, that's pretty much me right now. But if I can just explain, if you let me explain, can I explain the police report? Because it decriminates me, Sarah.
I'll give you a lawyer today.
Okay.
I'll have you speak to the lawyer. The lawyer can give your side to the DAs, and then they can try to work something out for you, okay? So just hang tight. I do need you to fill out an application for me. I don't know if I have one. Let me just check it out.
Be the prosecution.
Sir,
You're not allowed to talk.
Talk, okay. Because it literally decriminates me, sir. Okay.
speak to the attorney when you get appointed.
So I need an application for you to fill out. Once you fill it out, I'll take a look at it. I'll grant it for you, and then I'll have you speak to a lawyer here momentarily. Okay?
Same day or do I have to
Today?
come out?
Yeah, today. It'll be a while because we have to find one, but just be patient. But I'll have you speak to someone today. Okay? Stephen, do you mind giving an application?
So you're gonna come over here and sign.
A few minutes later.
If you don't want to, I understand. I'll just appoint someone else. She is not bond violations. That's the problem. If you want to stay on it, or if you want to,
Have a seat. Have a seat, sir.
take it.
Can I get my?
No.
I can't handle the paper? Are you joking? I'm getting sued over John did so. Look at the paperwork, John did so.
Can you mind staying on? I'm sorry, I had someone come up to me.
A few minutes later.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, sir. I don't know. I'll behave, I'm sorry. Oh, you tried to smile a little bit.
Oh,
I saw that.
You know what I say about composing
Okay, sorry.
yourself.
I'm just trying to be nice.
but nice is with actions as well, right?
I will compose myself properly, sir. And I would like to apologize to everyone in the court. I'm sorry, I'm trying to.
Stephen, just.
No.
Can I say so? I'm not trying to be nice.
You know, first like this.
I'm innocent.
At this moment, you can clearly see the tension reach a breaking point. The defendant is insisting that the police report proves he's innocent. But here's the legal reality. The courtroom isn't the place for spontaneous arguments without representation. That's exactly why the judge keeps insisting on appointing a lawyer. A defense attorney isn't just there to argue innocence. They're there to organize evidence, communicate with prosecutors, and prevent situations exactly like this emotional outburst. When defendants try to represent themselves or push their narrative directly to the judge, it often backfires because courts follow strict procedures. And when emotions explode like this, it can make a defendant appear unstable or difficult, even if they genuinely believe they're right. The judge here is actually showing patience, pausing the hearing instead of immediately escalating things. But the big question for viewers is this: do you think the defendant is being misunderstood, or is he unintentionally hurting his own case by reacting this way?
I am innocent. Read the original police report. I am innocent.
Calm down.
I am innocent. I will not comply with this.
If I may, are you letting him out?
I'm gonna let him out. I just need him to calm down and he's trying to do whatever he wants to do, whatever, you know? No. I want to let him out today. Let's just give him another 30 minutes. Just.
One eternity later.
Hey,
How's it going?
Good.
I'll behave.
all we want you to do, Mr. Rabode, is give your side to Mr. Slider. Okay, he will help you work with this case so it can get the best result possible. Okay, understand that we don't appreciate when people come from over there all the way over here, because it's very possible that I didn't even see that you were here.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sneak up on you. I'm
I mean,
sorry.
the problem is that not everybody is as nice as you. What happens if someone comes and tries to attack me here? You know what I mean?
I'm sorry if that's ever happened.
So
too,
that's why it scares me.
Okay,
You come up this way. I didn't even see you until Steven looks at me and starts darting this way. I didn't even see you, and it scared the crap out of me.
well, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you, sir, okay?
It's okay. And look, I don't think you mean any ill will. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here, right? But
Oh, I debated not coming because this is scary. Like, it's scary being here. I don't like being here.
what I meant was, if I thought you meant ill will, I would already have you in jail.
Okay,
Right.
I appreciate you not locking me up, thank you.
Of course not. I don't want to lock you up. I don't want to put you in jail. I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Just understand, we have a certain way that we handle things here, right?
May I say something?
I don't say that.
Not about the case.
It's not about the case.
Okay.
I just want to say, and it's in the paperwork, I've already been in jail over this. I've been put in jail over the weekend. I have the paperwork from the first time I went to jail, and you know, I'm kind of curious why I went to jail because I didn't do anything.
I'm going to let Mr. Slider explain that to you, okay? So just be wary that all I need you to do at this point is stay in contact with him. I'm going to waive the appearance for the next time. You don't have to come here. Okay? All I'm asking you to do is stay in contact with him. If he comes back to me though and tells me he can't get a hold of you, I will issue a warrant. And I'm going to tell you, I will not give you any more PR bonds. So all you have to do is stay in contact with him. And if you do, good things will happen for you. And one more thing, don't pick up any new cases.
I'll try not to. I won't.
I don't think you will, but just remember, not everybody's patient, okay? Anyways, all right. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
all right, please. Mr. Rode, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
For sure. Victoria, do you have a reset ready for Mr. Vivode?
What we just witnessed is a perfect example of how quickly courtroom situations can escalate, and how important procedure really is in the legal system. The judge here wasn't trying to silence the defendant. Instead, he was trying to protect the process. By appointing a lawyer and waiving the defendant's next court appearance, the judge actually gave him a second chance to handle the case properly. The key takeaway is simple. In court, how you behave can matter almost as much as the evidence itself. Losing composure or ignoring courtroom rules can make a situation much worse, even if you believe you're innocent. Fortunately for this defendant, the judge chose patience over punishment and gave him an opportunity to work through his attorney moving forward. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you think the judge handled this situation fairly, or should the defendant have faced stricter consequences for that outburst? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy real courtroom breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who loves legal drama, and subscribe to the channel for more jaw-dropping courtroom moments every week.